Our region's largest healthcare network striking a deal with two staffing unions to keep thousands of employees on the job and off the picket line, at least for now. The two sides settling on a tentative contract early this morning. It covers 6,300 employees for the next 3 years. The staff work across 5 of Kaleida's hospitals, including Buffalo General and Oshai. The two sides started negotiating in March, but the old agreement expired in July with no new deal in place. When they failed to reach an agreement by September, employees voted to authorize a strike. This gave union leaders the power to organize a picket line. The unions still have to ratify the new contract, but it will likely prevent staff from going on strike. 7 News reporter Kristen Morand picking up this story live for us tonight from Buffalo General. Of course, a strike was a big concern.
Well, Leah, after hearing from both Kaleida and union leaders, both can agree this is a win. Now, after 6 months of negotiating, this tentative deal was reached at 1 this morning. Now, later in a news conference a few hours after, President of Communication Workers of American 1168 and Vice President of 1199 SEIU were calling this deal historic. But it's important to note here that neither side would talk specifics about the deal until union members were briefed. Union leaders say they got a win for Kaleida's 6,300 healthcare workers. This negotiation, union leaders say, will help recruit and retain local healthcare workers. That's what registered nurse Kimberly Karnowski says she is most proud of.
They're going to want to come. That's what we needed to do. We needed them to want to come and work for Kaleida. I wanted them to come in and feel like they're safe when they're working. And I feel like we've done a good job, and I'm really proud.
We also got to speak with President and CEO of Kaleida, Don Boyd. He says this is a win for his employees, the healthcare network, and most importantly, for our community. In this deal, leaders say they were able to negotiate more than 500 new positions. I asked Boyd about this, and he said they are confident this tentative deal is attractive enough to cover current staffing shortages and fill those new positions. So as for what comes next, union members are going to review that tentative agreement, and then from there, a ratification vote is set to take place in the next few weeks. We're live in Buffalo tonight. Kristen Moran, 7 News.
All right, Kristen, thank you so much for that.